Today's video is about upgrading this old existing package unit to a new Ameristar. Let's do some work. So I've got the existing equipment removed, got the existing pad as well, nice and cleaned. It's solid concrete, so I'm going to be reusing that. So I'm ready to get the new unit set and get it all hooked up. Here's a little trick whenever you're mudding everything up. If you don't want to get it on a certain area, if you put some tape on it and then mud and then pull the tape off, you get a perfect line and it won't get anywhere you don't want it to get. And just go to town. You don't have to worry about it getting anywhere you don't want it to get. Peel that tape right off when you're done. And it comes out nice and clean. There you go. I'm pretty much finished up with the installation here. I had to go inside of the thermostat and reconfigure it for this system where it energizes the reversing valve in the heating mode. So I got that taken care of. I'm gonna go ahead and start the cooling up because it's actually pretty warm out today and it's 74 degrees in the house. So I'm gonna start the cooling up, get that started up, check temperature differentials. That's pretty much gonna be the extent of the startup that I'm gonna do today. I'm running out of daylight, so I need to get cleaned up. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back and do a good thorough startup on the system. And I'm gonna do a separate video on just doing a startup. So you won't really see too much of that today. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I really appreciate your support. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.